thought I would take a video to show you guys some of the sounds and sights of excavating in Iceland. We're on top of a rocky outcrop just above Thrælagirdi, which is one of the sites where I'm digging for my dissertation project. And you can hear the wind. When I quiet down for a minute, you can hear some of the birds chirping, I hope, over the wind. And you can also hear the wind weathering through the core, which I currently have over my shoulder. Here we go. I hope you can see me now. Behind me is the farm of Keflavik, where we're digging at the cemetery. And we've had some people working down there for the past couple of weeks, and we'll probably be there for a few more days. So I'm going to shut up now so you can listen to the